Hi guys, my name is David and you are more than welcome to Mole. So in this video, I would be teaching you how to get Uipath up and running in your system. So before we start, let's take a look at the objectives of this video. So for every content I make, I would be showing you the objectives so that you can use this to appraise yourself. At the end of my content, at the end of the video, you can say, do I know how to do this, or do I know how to do that? Okay, so the objectives of this video, the first objective is to register on the UiPath cloud. The second is to know where and how to download and install the UiPath Studio. And lastly, we are going to be viewing the features of the UiPath cloud. And the features I'm talking about here are the studio on the cloud, the orchestrator, the test manager, the action center, and many more. So let's get started. So the first thing, I'm assuming that you don't have UiPath on your system, you're a newbie, beginner, you want to get UiPath installed, you don't know where to download UiPath. So this is the right video for you. Okay, just a heads up, in my next video, I'll be showing you how to, get your UiPath Studio connected with your orchestrator. But for now, this video, we're just talking about downloading UiPath and, registering on the UiPath cloud and, seeing things and getting familiar with, all the forms of UiPath. Okay, so let's go. Let's get started. So first things first, you want to visit uipath.com. So go ahead, uipath.com. So go ahead, type in the URL of your Chrome browser, uipath.com, and you have this wonderful site opened up here, UiPath site. So you can go ahead and read any like articles by UiPath just in case you want to read some. But let's go straight to the point. Okay, so now you will see this wonderful orangey button over here. You see this wonderful orangey button here, and I want you to go ahead and click this button. It says try UiPath free. Go ahead, you click this button. It takes you to a second page, which is authenticating you to like providing you an authentication to the UiPath cloud. Now here, because you don't have an account, you will be asked to sign up or sign in. So if you have an account, you should sign in by clicking the sign in link. But if you don't have an account, you would want to register by clicking any of these three links here. You can either click this or this or this, whichever one you choose. So if you want to sign up with Google, like create an account, a UiPath Cloud account using your Gmail, you can go ahead, or you want to use your Microsoft account, you can go ahead, or you just want to create a basic account using some random email with a username and password, then you can go ahead with this. Okay, for now, I will be using my Gmail. So I already have my Gmail account attached to or like on this Chrome browser. So I would click continue with Google. So go ahead, click continue with Google if you want to use Google. So I'm going to click continue with Google and it takes me to this page. So I've created a special email address for this class, molerpaclass@gmail.com. So yes, I want to use this account to um to to create a UiPath cloud account. So go ahead, you click on molerpaclass@gmail.com. So I want to proceed with that. So go ahead and do the same, and then it prompts you to fill in all these details. Okay, so I'm just gonna give myself RPA students or RPA developer. Okay, I mean we're developers here, so RPA developer. My first name, last name is already auto populated. Of course, I want to be I want to be informed about UiPath products and services, and I click next. I'm selecting my country, so right now, United Kingdom, and I'm giving my company a name. So you can give your company any name, whatever name you choose to give your company. So say what RPA. Okay, yeah. So Mola RPA. So go ahead and give it give your the name of your organization. It doesn't mean you can give it anything, just anything you want, and select Europe and create my organization. So basically, these are the steps, So just go ahead, do the same thing I am doing, and you have your UiPath cloud all set. So let's wait for the website to load properly. Okay, so now we're all set. So we have our UiPath cloud all set. So um So you're welcome to this is the UiPath Cloud, and these are the features that are available here. You have your UiPath apps, and unfortunately, we can't see our orchestrator, and so but now we can see where we can download our UiPath Studio. So go ahead and download your UiPath Studio, and in the next video, just to keep this content so short, because I don't want to go, I don't want to exceed 20 to 30 minutes. I want to keep this video short. So go ahead. You can see this is a link to download your UiPath Studio here, and you can find that whenever you click the home of your UiPath cloud. So you can go ahead and click download UiPath Studio, and automatically your download would start. This is about 1.1 gig. So we can wait for the download to finish, and I will see you guys in the next video. So in the next video, I'll be showing you guys how to bring up because right now you can see we're not having the features that we talked about. If you remember clearly in the objectives, I told you guys we would see the orchestrator, the test manager, the action center, the studio on cloud. We can't see that. We are only seeing the studio, the studio which we would have to install in our system. So we want to like see those features. We want to see this these four features mentioned here. We want to see them on our UiPath cloud or in our UiPath cloud, whichever ones it's fine. Okay, so we'll be checking that out in the next video. So if you have gone through all the steps I mentioned here and you arrived here without any issues, congratulations. And if you have had any issues, still congratulations to you. You can always reach out to me on my mail or drop a comment on my YouTube video, and I'll be here to direct you. So in case you're reaching out to me on my mail, you can reach out to me at masteroflogic.mol@gmail.com. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.